It is my pleasure to welcome you to the crash course Quantitative Research Papers. I would like to show you in this part what you report in the results section and how you do this. It will be a very brief, a very short video as there's not too much to tell. In the results section, you basically neutrally and objectively report your results. Normally, you have the descriptive statistics of your constructs. And then, normally you have the inferential statistics with the p-values, effect sizes, and potentially additional indicators. What you not do here is interpret these results with regard. Why do we see the results? What do these results mean for the real world or for academia? That is what you not do. Neutrally and objectively reporting the results. Let me give you an example which stems from a publication. I had the honor to author with two co-authors, who was about the relationship between organization commitment, commitment to supervisor, and servant leadership. In our results section, we firstly reported the descriptive statistics, which you see on the right-hand side. For the facets of organization commitment, of commitment to supervisor, and the facets of servant leadership, we reported what was the minimum value, the maximum value on our scale from 1 to 6, and what was the arithmetic mean. Furthermore, we reported the standard deviation. With this, you cannot do much with regard to interpretation later on in your discussion section, but normally you should report these descriptive statistics so that the reader has an idea on what level your participants answered to the main constructs. The more interesting part, if you will, of our results section was, of course, the results of the inferential statistics. Here, an excerpt of this. Here is the effects of the facets of servant leadership on the left-hand side, on the facets of commitment to supervisor on the right-hand side. We reported the path coefficients as we analyzed our data with structural equation modeling, the path coefficients which are comparable to a regression coefficient, with the asterisks, the significance level, and later on R squared, the explanatory power of these relationships. We did not explain why, for what reason we could see these results, or what these results, these effects mean for the real world of academia. We neutrally and objectively reported the results. That is all what you're doing in the results section. This was the penultimate part of this crash course, and in the next video it is about what you write in your discussion, plus an extra tip for academic research. Until then, I wish you all the best, and it is bye-bye for now.